Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the best budget mechanical keyboard. A few things about this keyboard is it's a 75% keyboard. It's mechanical with blue switches and it'll be compatible with your Mac or Windows computer. This keyboard is the Keychron K2 wireless keyboard. So let's look at this, John. This is going to be the packaging for the Keychron K2. It looks like it's nicely packaged. A tactical mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. That's what we want. Keychron K2, sleek, compact, wireless, mechanical keyboard. That's what we like to hear. So let's open this John up. Okay, we're gonna open this up. I do not have like a knife, so I'm gonna be using this thing. Oh my goodness. That's exactly what we wanted to happen. And let's open the John up. Okay, so I think this is just so you put all the keys in the right place, essentially. And then it does show you like that. Those keys should be like swappable or something. So you have the Mac. Here is the wire. USB-C. Here is a tool. Here's the tool to, you know, mess with, like, take the keys out, put the keys. Okay. Now these are either extra keys or they're just, I know all the keys aren't on because that's kind of how it works. Okay. Sleek, compact wireless mechanical keyboard. Of course, the buttons are all over the place. Not sure that's a good sign. The key is falling out in my bag. Okay, so we have all the keys in now, and it's like pretty heavy duty. And then with this one, you should be able to change the mode from Mac to Windows. Cable and then BT. So if you're using the cable, you have it on this. If you're using Bluetooth, that's how you turn on your Bluetooth. We've got keyboard stands. It looks like I don't remember what they're called. They give you 2 levels. What everyone's been waiting for. We're gonna do the sound test. Okay, here's the typing test. It's not gonna be super smooth. I've been testing the keyboard response time on my computer, and it's perfect, no delay at all with the Bluetooth or with the wire. This keyboard is fire. I think you guys should get it. Something I'd like to cap the video off is Craft Custom Computers. This channel has a giveaway coming soon. If you want to be notified about what the giveaway is and like how to enter and stuff like that, then you're gonna have to subscribe to the channel to get the notification. And how to enter, you're gonna have to be subscribed anyway. So just prepare yourself. Subscribe. I'll see you little kids in the next one.